Ilan mo muna yung sa'yo.
Okay, teka lang. Teka lang, hawakan natin to. Wait, guys. Laload natin yung mga baril natin. Titignan natin kalokohan. We will see the limits. We will test the We will test.
Tanong mo. This is
Destroy
1 million pounds of bullets in one.
In one shot.
Yes.
Okay. Pull the trigger once and you're dead. Pull the trigger once and they're dead. We will test I will test its limit. Bro's testing its limits. Let's see how much is too much.
Barilin mo muna yung sa'yo.
Kala.
At mamaya ko babarilin mo ito.
Saving the best for last.
This is 50 no.
50 caliber gun.
No, infinite.
Infinite caliber gun. Bo. Ang sakit.
Rubber band.
What, wag mo itutok sa akin. Pag yan ay pumutok, ako'y kawawa sa'yo. Oh! Wait, last na to. My fingers are... Ito yung daliri ko.
Isipin mo lang, Russian roulette ito.
One shot, you're dead.
One shot. Okay. Liar's Club.
Okay guys, matawakan mo yung cellphone.
Okay.
Okay, the secret technique to this is, the secret technique, no!
FPS.
No! The secret technique to making a minigun. You see this pin? Take! Take this out. Okay? Would you care to hold it, please?
Hold up.
Would you care to hold it?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Oh my God.
Nag-jam yung baril ko.
Nakita ko.
Okay.
Ayan.
Minigun is...
Paul ng akin.
Okay, let me hold the phone. Teka lang, inayos ko lang yung baril. We will test we will test how stupid this thing is.
Turn the camera on.
Ready guys? Pag natin, we're gonna put something on here so that doesn't fall over. Ready, Matt? Ready.
Lang. This.
Imagine mo pumunta ka na doon sabi. Ready. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Ang daming rubber band. May meron rito. May knockback.
Wait.
May Rico. Ay, sira.
Ay, hindi. Wala. Wait. Ay, sarang.
May recoil. Ang dami dito. Wait, end na natin guys yung video.